Let's go through how to set up the Ledger Flex. Firstly, you'll want to download Ledger Live from the App Store. Ledger states they'll never collect info on your assets, portfolio, or personal information. Once you agree, you can set up your hardware wallet. Choose the Flex option and it will then start searching for your device. Before you panic, Ledger Live asks for location on your phone. This is not to track GPS. I repeat, this is not to track your location. When digging deeper, the type of Bluetooth used on the Flex, called BLE or Bluetooth Low Energy, requires location services to scan for Bluetooth. Other types of Bluetooth don't require any location services. You can find this transparent info in the Play Store documents, which I'll link below. Once we peel off the sticker, we finally turn on the device. Oh, that sounds nice. The first thing we see in the setup is a walkthrough of how crypto works and how to keep assets safe using the Flex. It also states that you can use Ledger Live to manage your digital assets. We get 3 options here: Ledger Live Mobile, Ledger Live Desktop, or Setup without Ledger Live. Today, we'll choose Ledger Live Mobile. Next, connect your device to the Flex using Bluetooth, as we just previously discussed. All you need to do is hold the Flex within range of your phone and match the pairing prompts. Once paired, every ledger goes through something called a genuine check. This is a cryptographic verification to ensure the authenticity of your ledger device. Genuine ledger devices hold a secret key that is set during manufacturing. Pretty cool. Only a genuine ledger device can use its key to provide the cryptographic proof required to pass the genuine check issued by Ledger Live. You can also do this after a device was set up by going to Ledger Live in Settings, Help, Device Setup. I don't know of any other wallet brand or tech brand for that matter that does this, and it makes you extra confident and trusting in the product. Also, make sure the box is intact, all pieces are included, and that the device has the following screen displayed here, which confirms your device is ready to be set up and wasn't tampered with. If there are any issues, go straight to Ledger support. After the check, the operating system update will take some time. Once confirming the update, more updates will occur until you get the confirmation screen. Now for the fun part. I of course name my Flex Aldaron. Choose any name you like. Sky's the limit. Following that, we go through more information on the PIN code and how it works. Props to Ledger here, as many times in crypto, we're told to do something, but we don't know why. Use something better here than 0000, but a PIN is a protective layer against physical brute force attacks. If someone steals or uses your device, they still can't get in, just like a passcode on your phone. Since I didn't have anything to restore, I chose to set up as a new ledger. Now we get to the seed phrase part. This 24-word sequence is randomly generated by the Flex, and it's not chosen by the user. Keep them safe away from technology, and for the same reason, don't take photos of them as well. Although YouTube scammers want you to think otherwise, never show these words to anyone. And with that, don't even enter them on a computer or copy them to your clipboard, because if hackers have access to your mobile or desktop device, they can use tricks such as keylogging to see what you typed and get access to your crypto. Ledger comes with 3 of these paper recovery sheets, which is not enough if you make mistakes or need to reset your wallet. So if you want something more protective, I'd highly recommend a Shieldfolio Stonebook. It's affordable, waterproof, and the pages are tear resistant. I'll put the link below, or you can check out this video for more info. Once you finally confirm all 24 words, we're again reminded not to lose or share our seed phrase. Now that the stacks is ready to go, the way Ledger Live works is that we need to download a separate app for each blockchain. Bitcoin and Ethereum get auto-downloaded on setup. Next, we're prompted with Ledger Recovery. Ledger receives some flack about the new service in the past, but essentially this service gives Ledger permission to encrypt your seed phrase, slice it up into 3 pieces, and then send each piece to a separate custodian with a monthly subscription charge. All right, we're finally in Ledger Live. Here you can buy, receive, and send crypto, manage NFTs, and check the state of the market. To buy other coins such as Solana, you again need to download the Solana app first. Once your account is created, you'll get a wallet address. Do note that Ledger does not sell crypto directly and instead uses third-party apps such as MoonPay. When creating accounts, Ledger prompts you to verify information on both devices. Let's talk about clear signing for a moment, because it could be the difference maker when catching a scam transaction or not. You've heard about the Bybit hack, right? Where the founder, Ben, signed a transaction using his ledger. Some people blame Ledger Ledger for this, but Ben actually didn't verify and check the information on his device to match it on the platform he was using, called Safe. That mistake cost his company $1.5 billion of Ethereum. $1.5 billion. This is what we call blind signing, when you sign a transaction without verifying and understanding it first. For example, take this message hash. Do you have any idea what it's saying, what it means, or what the intent is? Because I have no clue. And a good way to look at it is using this analogy. Would you sign and hand someone a blank check even if you knew them well? Probably not. And if you don't know what a check is, just ChatGPT it. With clear signing, you know the intent of the interaction, which decentralized app you're interacting with, and which assets will be affected. Essentially, you have all the tools to know exactly what you're authorizing. And additionally, any transaction that cannot be fully understood or verified is displayed on the Flex as a security risk. This is a huge step in crypto security and transparency for all users and companies. I know it can be tedious at times, but it just takes one slip up to sign a bad transaction or copy an incorrect wallet address. Take the time to check and you won't regret it. In the settings, you can choose your own language and currency. Also, be sure to add a password lock to your account if you want an added layer of security. And about data, you can turn off analytics and personal experience data, which is something I'll do for peace of mind. If you want to stake crypto directly in Ledger, it's easy to do. Choose the token and the process is straightforward. The Discover tab is a cool place to check other dApps on Ledger Live with different categories for different needs. Lastly, go to My Ledger for final setup. Here's where you can set your lock screen. Remember that the image can be from your gallery or an NFT sent to your Flex. To test, I chose a picture from Northern Ireland. Once confirmed on both devices, the image loads and stays up at all times as a screensaver. Pretty sweet. Ledger does incredibly well to explain all steps of the process to us in a simple way. Many times it feels like we're left in the dark in crypto, but not here with Ledger. I'll take extra time to set up any day in exchange for added knowledge and security. So if you want to grab one, check the description and please use my link below. It really helps to support this channel. If this video helped you at all, come subscribe for more hardware wallet and crypto tech content coming soon. And again, a huge thank you to the Ledger team for sending over a Flex. Yeah, catch you in the next one.